In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do follow-up email on Gmail. Staying on top of unanswered emails can be the difference between a missed opportunity and a quick win. Gmail actually has several built-in tools that make follow-ups easy and consistent, and I'll walk you through each one so you can choose what fits your workflow. First, let's use Gmail's automatic reminders, called nudges. Open Gmail in your browser and sign in. Click the gear icon at the top right, then select See All Settings. In the General tab, scroll down to the section called Nudges. Turn on both options, Suggest emails to reply to and Suggest emails to follow up on. With these enabled, Gmail will bring older messages back to the top of your inbox with helpful prompts like Sent 3 days ago, follow up. It's a simple set and forget way to prevent things from slipping through the cracks. Next, if you prefer to write your follow-up now and send it later, you can schedule it. Open a reply or start a new compose window. Instead of clicking Send, click the small arrow next to the Send button and choose Schedule Send. Pick a date and time. 3 days from now is a common choice, so your message lands when it's most likely to get attention. Pro tip: if the person replies before your scheduled time, head to your scheduled folder and delete that pending follow-up so they don't receive a duplicate. You can also find silent threads quickly with search. In the Gmail search bar, try typing older than 3 has user labels to surface messages older than 3 days that you haven't organized yet. Another helpful one is from Me is Starred, which shows messages you sent that you haven't marked as resolved or important. Adjust the time frame to match your cadence. For a lightweight tracking system, create a dedicated label. Go to Settings, open the Labels section, and create a new label named Follow Up. In the sidebar, hover over that label, click the 3 dots, and choose a bright color so it stands out. As you send important emails, click the label icon and tag them. Then, once a day, open the follow-up label to see who hasn't replied. Finally, save time with templates. Make sure Templates is enabled in Settings. Draft a follow-up email. Click the 3 dots in the Compose window, choose Templates, and select Save Draft as Template. The next time you need it, insert that template instantly into any reply and personalize before sending. If the video has been helpful and you want more tips, please subscribe to the channel. It's free.